Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video. Let's get started. Now this model right here, I've been wanting to get for a while now, and finally got it. Trying to see. Oops, cut it in the wrong spot. Been wanting to get this model for a while. First time I seen it, someone snatched it up before I even thought about getting it. I was pretty upset. Now this popped up again, and I was a little quicker. Alright, put this. Alright, get this bubble wrap out. Get out of the way. Cut this off too. As you can see, it is a Mack R model with a dump trailer. Alright, let's open the box. Funny story about this. Now I saw it on eBay, and I just up and purchased it, and I didn't even see where it came from because I bought it yesterday and it was shipped the same day and it was out for delivery today. So I was wondering where it came from. Apparently this came from a town 26 minutes away from here. So I could have just picked it up, but oh well. Alright, take this one out first, carefully. Here's the truck. It is a Streets and Sanitation dump truck. Got it for a good price. And let's get the dump trailer out. Here's the dump trailer. Pretty nice. Now I have the same Mack dump truck in a different color scheme. It's in the Prairie Materials colors. And I have that unboxing video on my second channel, Heavy Equipment Chicago, if you want to check it out. Alright, here it is. Streets and Sanitation. Yes, the city does have dump trucks, but in this case, since it's under Streets and Sanitation, it's most likely used for forestry, for loading up branches from fallen trees or pruning trees. Yeah, most of the dump trucks I've seen nowadays are for like water management or CDOT. Scratch that, water management. CDOT, I don't believe CDOT has these type of dump trucks. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this unboxing video. Hope you have a good Friday, and see you guys next time.